All right, boys and girls, I am here to tell you a little bit more about some things that are going to be going on in your Google Classroom. So on your screen, you can see some important announcements. For this week, we are going to begin doing social studies in our Google Classroom. You boys and girls have been doing an excellent job getting in your 30 minutes of reading and 30 minutes of math. No worries, this isn't going to be too much, just a little bit to keep our brains moving and thinking. So your social studies assignments will be posted in the Google Classroom that you have already been invited to. Many of you are already in a math Google Classroom, so you will find your social studies assignments there, and I will show you that in just one moment. Finally, these social studies assignments are going to last for the entire week. So you will have all week to complete them. It should not take you more than 1 hour to do them. So you can log on a little bit each day, but it should not be taking you 1 hour each day. Just 1 hour for the entire week. So I have made a fake classroom so I could log on as an example for you guys. Up here at my tab, I'm going to go into my experiment classroom. This is what your Google Classroom should look like to you when you log in as a student. So you can see right here that I've posted some new materials. You may click on them here, or you can go into your classwork section up here at the top. And I can see that there is a tab that says Social Studies. You're going to need to look for this since this is in your math classroom. But under your Social Studies tab, you will see Second Grade Social Studies, week of April 27th, 2020. Read or listen to Lily learns about wants and needs. As you read or listen, think about the choices Lily and her father have to make. Are they wants or needs? You can use the PDF right here to read the book or read it online. So if you use the PDF, you're going to click on it and you can open it up right here like this. It might take a moment. And you can learn all about Lily. Now, I don't know about you, but sometimes I like a story read to me. So if we go back here and click on the link, we're going to need to remember that the username is Denton and the password is Denton. This is what you've seen your teachers use in the classroom sometimes. So, school, library, or name. We go to Denton Elementary. To give it a second, it slows down sometimes. Denton Elementary in Denton, Maryland. I'm going to click on that. For the user ID, remember that was Denton, D-E-N-T-O-N. The password is also D-E-N-T-O-N. No capital letters, all lowercase. Then I'm going to press login. I do not want to change my password. Then you can click open now. Once you are here, you have some options. If you press the play button, the book will be read aloud to you.
Welcome to Odyssey eBooks with Audio. Discover more at odysseyebooks.com. For Matt LB.
You might have to
For
skip it along
my
a little.
parents.
I'm going to go to the next page for it to start here.
Chapter 1. Want or need? Hey, Dad.
I'm going to press the pause button. I just wanted to give you an idea. You also can read the book on your own by using the arrows on your keyboard or by clicking on the page to turn the next page. So, several options for reading this book online. Now, once you've read the book, you're going to go back to the Google Classroom. It says when you are finished reading, use the Jamboard to record your own wants and needs. So I'm going to click on this. Now up here, you see a student name. This should turn into your name up here. It says after reading Lily's wants and needs, draw pictures of things that are needs in each box. We have 3 boxes for needs. Then it says you can draw more than one picture in each box. Then do the same thing for wants. Notice there's only 1 box for wants because sometimes we have to make hard decisions about what we want more since they are not important as our needs. Now, I'm super excited about this for you boys and girls because you have so many options. So right here, this is the pen option. So you may want to draw a need. we all know that, food is a good example of a need. So I am going to draw a burger right here the best I can. Here's some lettuce for my burger and the bun. Okay? The best I can. If you want, you can even try to use this little writing tool to write the word burger underneath. Okay? Now, it is also an option to add some images down here. This box is the image box. So if you click on that, you're going to go to photos over here, and this will search the internet. Please remember, oh, hold on, not the photos, the Google image search. Please remember, it's very important to be responsible. That's the M in Swimming for Success. We're going to make responsible choices by only searching for wants and needs. So I might type in hamburger to find an image because that is something I need to stay healthy. I need to fill my body with good foods. Then when I click on it, it will load. You can use these buttons here to size them to all different sizes. Super fun. I'm going to do one more example with the images because I realized I clicked on it really fast. So another example of a healthy food might be an apple. You need fruits and vegetables to stay healthy. So I responsibly searched the word apple, and I'm going to click on the apple that I want, then click select, and it will come up on my Jamboard. Now everything I'm doing in here in this application called Jamboard is saved automatically, and all of your edits can be seen, so please make sure you are being extra responsible. I'm going to leave these two things here to show you some other options. Maybe with your drawing and your picture you want to combine some words. This button right here makes a sticky note pop in. You can choose the color of your sticky note. So maybe instead of drawing an apple, I wanted to type the word apple. After I type it, I can click save. And then you have to click on the screen to get back out. But now you have the word apple. These are the most important features when you are using this to add your needs and wants. Also, if you do make a mistake, right underneath the pen, there is an eraser. So that would allow you to erase any mistakes. I can go back to my pen. The little arrow beside the pen, I can choose how thick my pen is. I can choose a couple different colors over here. So if I choose this pen, it's going to be a lot thicker. And I'll choose blue as my example, since you know that's my favorite color. So now my writing looks a little bit different. This is going to allow you boys and girls to be very, very creative with the work you turn in. Now, watch this. Just as I promised, this is going to save it automatically. When you submit this, I would like you to have many more needs and many more wants, but I can't give you all the answers. You're going to learn that in Lily's story. I will exit out up top here. It is safe because it saves it for me. Then, when you come back to your page and you click, oh, let me go back to where I was. I was back in that classwork tab where we originally found all this information. If you click view assignment, we've already created the project. So once you're ready, you will click turn in to me. And it says one attachment will be submitted. That is what you were already working on. The computer is smart enough to know it is logged in for you. And then you click turn in when you are finished. Now, if you accidentally turn this in and you weren't ready, you can unsubmit this as well. Unsubmit to add or change. So if you realize you weren't finished, you will click unsubmit. And then you can work on it again. If you have any questions, make sure you let your teacher know. Happy creating, boys and girls.